Oh, YouTube. This is what I bring today. This is the most important thing for all RC guys who are using cars, RC cars, quadcopters, planes, because these are the uh, tie down battery tie down straps, and these straps we are using just to tight your battery. This is a strap, and I ordered this thing from gearbest.com. And let me open the box and then I will show you what is inside. It's a very small thing. See, this is very good material, very nice material. Have a look. So now guys, you can see how I fix this thing, and this is nicely tight and it can hold this battery without any problem. So this is a very nice product. You must buy this thing. You can order this thing from Gearbags. It's only $1.5 and you will get a lot of them, so this is a very nice thing if you have RC collection. See, this is very tight, and still you can tight more. So you can open this and you can press like this. Yes, so now this is fully tight. Okay guys, have a look. See, this will not go anywhere, and this is a perfect center of gravity. That's why I tied in this way. Thanks for watching guys. I hope you like.